do a bye-bye yesterday? Go for a car ride? It was good? You like the car ride? Yeah? What you doing? Did you get treats yesterday? Did you? Did somebody bring you treats? It was awesome? Yeah, you got pettings? Do you like pettings? You do? You don't like the camera, huh? Hey, Cloud. I love you. I love you. Oh. And then what? Oh, boy. Ah. Really? Oh, I love you too. He's a good boy. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. I love the good boy. Hey, Cloud. Did I stop petting you? What's the tail thump all about? You want me to pet you? Want me to rub your belly? You do? Look at that smile. I love you. Okay.